Today on Canada's Best Businesses, we'll be looking at a company that's achieved the honor of being voted Entrepreneur of the Year. A leading provider of people-centered internet solutions, Columbus Group, based in Vancouver, British Columbia, has received this prestigious award. Let's hear how this highly respected Canadian company made it happen.
Columbus Group builds and delivers to its customers optimized digital experiences. And what we mean by optimized digital experiences is that experience or relationship that a customer has with a business or one of our clients. So how do they interact and actually experience buying product from that unique customer, getting information from that unique customer, actually having an experience with that customer and building that comfort in that relationship with that person. Columbus Group itself started a little over 5 years ago and has totally been focused around building that client-customer relationship. In all of our applications, all of the solutions we've tried to provide for our customers have all been around how could we make that experience that much more effective. Now this has been a learning process over the last 5 years also of what really are the characteristics in this new digital medium to make that happen. And what we've seen is a real evolution in the skills and the technology and the people who come together to actually build these solutions. So for example, we have user interface experts, human factors experts, copywriters and content managers. We have technologists, so open technology and open standard type expertise in our programming and in our development groups. We have very much a focus around information architecture and really creating those as dynamic, multidisciplinary teams that can actually produce that unique solution for that unique customer that relates to that unique client.
The goal of people-centered thinking really is to try to change the nature of the relationship between a business and its customer, making it more like a friendship. There's a real sense of adversarialism that exists between businesses and customers in a lot of cases, and we think that that's wrong, and there's a big opportunity for organizations to create lasting value with their customers by changing the nature of that relationship. A meaningful experience for a customer has to be grounded in something, and people-centered thinking is about caring a lot about your customer and caring a lot about what you're doing as a business. And it's that caring that allows you to gain the kind of insight that you need into the customer and to yourself as a business and what you have to provide that generates the ideas for how to best relate to that customer.
So your first task will be to order a phone line, and you're a UBC student. You're going to be living in residence, and you want to send the bill to your parents.
All right.
Involving users in the whole design and development process is a critical component of the people-centered way. What we do is we sit users down and do a usability test, which means we actually ask them to perform representative tasks with the website and with the software. And this is always a revelation. We always find problems that we can't anticipate because we're not normal users, we're not representative users. And it allows us to achieve a much more balanced design and iterate on our design and improve the way that users will respond to our software.
Welcome back to Canada's Best Businesses, a show featuring the most successful companies in the country. Established just 5 years ago, Columbus Group has grown to become one of the leaders in providing internet-based technologies for business solutions in virtually all industries. So stay with us as we find out more about this award-winning company.
Good afternoon, Columbus Group. All right, let me put you through to our salesperson. One moment.
We started out in May of '95 with 3 of us, and we each charged about $5,000 up on our credit cards, and to this date we've grown to about 90 people. This represents about a 1,700% growth in people, and as of the end of 2000 we'll also have achieved about 10,000% growth in revenue. We started with our head office in Vancouver and then opened up offices in Toronto and now Seattle. I think the key to our success has been our people. Obviously we're a people business and a people-centered business. Combined with the vision of our people and the ability of our people to see the vision of the internet and how it really affects and changes business, moving forward, I think that will be our key success factor.
The challenge for Columbus Group in adopting the people-centered approach is to help our clients provide great experiences for their customers through the online channel. The two critical aspects to that are helping our clients understand their customers and the online profile and behavior of those customers so that they can gain the insight that's necessary, the ahas that will tell us what kinds of experiences will best be delivered through the technology. The second part is in bringing together a very diverse group of expertise to create those experiences, because a great online experience involves input from all kinds of people with different skills in technology, software usability, customer relationship management principles, graphic design, advertising, the list goes on and on.
Yeah, we really see the future growth of our company is going to come through the expansion of other offices, primarily through the United States and going into Europe and Asia. We're looking right now at opening up an office from every 4 to 6 months over the next 3 years as we're going forward. So it's a really exciting time, and we're looking forward to really attacking these things.
The philosophy of Columbus Group itself is built around the idea of truly being thought leaders in the market space. And this is about creating teams and environments at Columbus Group that bring out the thinking and the creativity of the experts and the people we have here. So that's created an environment of sharing, of expertise, of a real balance in the lifestyle and in the enjoyment of how you actually think. The people-centered way itself, as a theory and a concept, allows people to really create those relationships. And we truly believe that is of such value to starting to act and interact with your business that I think more than anything that's what makes us successful and stay on the top. A critical part of Columbus Group and its engagement with its clients and the people we do business with ourselves is very much focused on that long-term relationship. We really believe this is about being a different way of running your business, of really changing how you think about dealing with your customers in these digital channels. And what that has done is everything we do with a customer is about advising, about providing those services, about giving them the insight and the expertise to actually make that relationship take place. So that's why most of our customers, as you see, we've had them since day one. And we really don't, like a lot of typical organizations and stuff, build an application then go away. We really are constantly, day to day, week to week, month to month, year to year, involved with their business and that relationship they're creating.